Sonia, you tell me if it's sore. You tell me if anything's sore when I do it. Coming up. Coming up. Excellent. So a bit tight around the shoulders through here. So look at this young fella, he's a bit round shouldered, and that his shoulders sit forwards, and he's quite, because of that, when you're round shouldered you tend to get tighter through here.
Yeah.
And when you get tighter through there you're going to get grating sort of neck. Makes a grating sort of sound, because your muscles around your neck are tighter, and then they rub over the bones, and you get a grating neck. Now, so normally get round shouldered from sitting in a slouchy position, where you're sort of leaning forwards. And if you're playing a lot of computer games, where you hunch sort of forward, that sort of stuff will do it.
Yeah.
Or if you're doing too much study, maybe that's what it is.
I think that's probably Minecraft.
Now, just softening your muscles, so you're going to get a bit more relaxed through this part of your back. Going to get a few cracks out of your back, and going to get you to do a little bit of neck stretching, and probably just change the way you sort of sit a bit more. How's this feel? Fair enough. Good. He seems a healthy guy, which is good. Just a bit round shouldered there is the most obvious thing. Are you taller than your mates at school? You're about the same height.
Same height.
Okay, that's good. Sometimes when you're taller than your mates, you tend to hunch down more. Maybe they're the same height, but you don't have to hunch them. That's good. I had a friend who was 6'4", and he used to hunch hang out with me. So, yeah, that didn't do him much good. Excellent. Relaxing a bit more. That's good. Well done. So today we're just trying to soften up your muscles with my meat tenderizer just here. I'm going to get a few cracks out of your back as well. And I'll probably get you to stretch a bit more and try and have your shoulders back a bit more. Good. Do you like doing much sport?
He used to play rugby for quite a few years, but then he stopped when he started at Manadua High.
Okay. Any exercising you like doing?
No.
You're going to get fat, aren't you? I can see no hope for this one. So things would be good to be doing some pull-ups, could be good. Strengthen your biceps a bit and strengthen around the back of your shoulders a bit more, which will tend to pull your shoulders back a bit more. So no real problems with headaches, it's just round shouldered and tight across the shoulders.
Yeah.
Okay, now next thing we're going to get a few clicks out of you. Sounds alright? This time I'm going to get you to breathe in for me. out for me. Good. Breathing in, breathing out. Good. No way, a bit tough there. Okay, work on your different. I'll bring you up, coming up slow. Good, I'm standing up. I want you to put your back against this table. So spin around, right round. Good, leaning back, coming back down. Good one. Sitting up, coming up. And you right? What you doing? There we go. And there, and there. Perfect, you stay there. Good. Next thing. And get a little click out in the middle of your back up here. So breath in, breath out. Down we come. Gotcha. Now lying back down. All the way there. You stay there. Hands on tummy. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Now, head turns to the side, keeping it there. Just going to wobble around this part of you. So tighten the muscles around this part through here. Let's go the other way. Rest it there. That's good. So tighten the muscles around this part through here. Back in the centre. Now, wobble your neck so it goes a bit wobbly. And turn. And turn. Now today we're going to be getting some clicks from this area here. And turn. And from this area here. So, to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you a little bit. I'm going to bring you around. Well done. You're good at that. Head turn. Good. And bring it over. Well done. Well done. Now you rest it there. I'm bringing you up. We'll show you a couple of stretches to do for your neck. Then we're going to do some exercises to make your shoulders come back now. Stand it up. So neck stretching. You can stretch the muscles around there by doing this. Good. Just like that. Well done. Let's do the other side. Good. And then also you can try this one. You turn it one way as far as you want and give it a little push. I like it. Well done. Let's do the other way. Perfect. Looks great. And so as I said, shoulders tend to be